5 things you shouldn't say to someone in a narcissistic relationship. Hi everyone. When your friend is going through a narcissistic relationship, maybe you want to comfort her and show your support. But if you say the wrong thing, instead of supporting her, you might end up making her feel worse. So in this video, I'll show you 5 things you shouldn't say to someone in a narcissistic relationship. Although you mean good, your words matter. Before moving further, I hope you can help this channel grow by liking and sharing this video with your friends and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new here. 1. If it's that bad, why don't you just leave him? When someone tells you that they have been going through a toxic relationship, maybe you'll be confused. Why do they want to live so miserably? Why don't they do something? And you'll find yourself asking, if it's that bad, why don't you just leave him? You should never ask such an unemphatic question to someone who is going through narcissistic abuse. It's not easy to leave a narcissistic relationship because their narcissistic partner always tries to make them stay no matter what. Support your friend, provide them emotional support to calm their mind, slowly encourage them to believe in themselves, but never pressure them to do something they're not ready to do. 2. Well, relationships are hard. Yes, every relationship has its own challenge, but a narcissist will make things hard for their partner for no reason. When you say something like this, you'll make your friend question him or herself. Someone going through narcissistic abuse usually has low self-confidence. They may think that the relationship is falling apart because of him or her, and it won't be good for their mental health. 3. Do you want me to talk to him? Maybe you think you're doing your friend a favour by talking to the narcissist, but the truth is, you're just going to make things worse than it already is. When you talk to the narcissist partner, they will just brush off everything you say and trivialise what your friend is going through. They'll even convince you that they are the victim. Since narcissists are good at convincing people, it's possible that you'll end up believing them. Moreover, your friend's position will be even worse because the narcissist will abuse him or her even more. 4. Maybe you just don't understand him. No, don't blame the victim for not understanding the narcissist. Narcissist partners are known for making promises they don't keep, changing their behaviour every now and then, and even lie. Because of those behaviours, a victim of narcissistic abuse is often confused about who their partner really is. It is hard to understand the partner because a narcissistic character clouds their judgment. Once again, do not blame the victim for something they can't control. 5. Be patient, he will change. Of course a person can grow and change. If we keep pouring our unconditional love, maybe they'll finally be nicer to us. Unfortunately, it is hard for a narcissist to change. Their feeling of grandiose stops them from recognising their bad behaviours. They think that they are always right and everybody is inferior to them. So, never tell your friend that her narcissistic partner will change. No matter what she does, a narcissist will always have a way to make light of her feelings, make her feel alone, even question her reality, and make her believe that she is the one at fault. Well, do you have any experiences dealing with a narcissist? If so, don't hesitate to tell us your stories in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. Thanks for watching.